In this video, I'll show you how to add a staircase to your drawing. I'll talk you through selecting and placing the staircase and adding sundry items such as newel posts. To get started, go to the Architectural tab and click on the Stairs button. Select a type of staircase from the drop-down menu. I'm going to select the quarter turn with winders stairs. The first screen of the Stairs component builder asks you to select a specification. Depending on whether you want a plastered lining or timber apron, click on a specification to select it, and then click Next. The next screen prompts you to enter the dimensions of the staircase. Press the Tab key to move between the input boxes, updating the dimensions as needed. I'm going to enter a floor-to-floor height of 2,700mm to match my walls. I'm going to change the number of risers in the lower flight to 10, and the number of risers in the upper flight to 1. I'm going to change the width of the staircase to 850mm, and now I'm going to select the handrail and balustrade options. Let BuildingWorks know which side needs handrail and which side needs sloping balustrade. Enter the length of horizontal landing balustrade, and if need be, indicate which sides of the staircase need walls constructing. Once you're happy, click Next. Final screen asks you to check the resource allowance for the staircase. Scroll to the right of the window, and here you can enter the cost of the staircase as a PC sum or a known price. Select the allowance type from the drop-down box, and enter the cost of the staircase into the price input box. Once complete, click Finish. BuildingWorks is now ready to place the staircase on the drawing. The instructions tell you to click to indicate the top point for the first landing. The justification of the staircase is correct in this instance, as I want to place the staircase on the wall to the left. However, you can change the justification to centre or right if necessary, using the Justification drop-down box on the Stair tab. This appears whenever you're placing stairs. I'm going to place the corner of the staircase here. Click the left mouse button to place the first point. The instructions now tell you to click to indicate the point for the bottom of the staircase. You're now determining the orientation of the staircase. Hold down the Shift key to lock the rotation to 45-degree increments. As my stairs start at the bottom of the screen and go up towards the top, I'm going to move my cursor down the screen to indicate the bottom point of the staircase. Click the left mouse button to position the bottom of the stairs. The instructions now tell you to click to indicate the point for the top landing. In the case of a quarter turn staircase, this next step determines the direction of the turn at the top of the staircase. I'm going to move my cursor to the right of the staircase to indicate that they turn right. Click the left mouse button to position the top of the stairs and finish placing the staircase. If your staircase isn't exactly where you want it, you can easily move it. Click on one of the lines which makes up the staircase to select the entire staircase. Right-click on the staircase, then select the Move Selection option from the right-click menu. The instructions tell you to click to place a point of reference on the staircase. Click on a snap point on the staircase. Usually a corner point is most helpful. The instructions now tell you to click to select the final position of the item. Your cursor is now effectively attached to the snap point, and you can move it to another position on the drawing. Click the left mouse button to place the staircase. Then click on a blank area of the screen to deselect the staircase. Now we can add a label and arrow to show the direction of the stairs. Click on the Drawing and Annotation tab and click the Text button. Type Up into the text box and click OK. You're now ready to place the text on the staircase. Position the text towards the top of the staircase and click the left mouse button to place the text. On the Drawing and Annotation tab, click the Arrows button and select the Leader Arrow option. Find a midpoint on one of the stairs to place the leader end of the arrow. Click the left mouse button to place the arrowhead. Then find another midpoint for the tail end of the arrow. Click the left mouse button to place the tail. Finally, press the Escape key to finish drawing the arrow. You may want to add some sundry items to the estimate for your staircase, and can do so using the Extra Items window. You may need to find the window by clicking on the Extra Items tab. If the tab isn't visible on screen, go to the Views in 3D tab, click the Window button, and ensure the Extra Items option is ticked. Once the Extra Items window is visible on screen, you may need to click the staircase to select it again. The extra item options for the staircase will appear on the Extra Items window. I'm going to add 2 full newel posts to the estimate. Click the plus icon to expand the newel post options. You can use the up and down arrows to select the number of full and half newel posts needed. If you keep your eye on the estimate cost at the bottom right hand corner, you can see how it changes as we add and take away the sundry items. To estimate for plasterboard and decoration to the underside of the stairs, simply enter a square metre rate quantity. To see the sundry items you've added to the estimate, you can click the Find an Estimate button at the top of the Extra Items window. It's the one with the calculator icon. BuildingWorks will take you to the Sundry Specified Items screen in the staircase component, where you can see the cost of the sundry items you've added. Once you've inserted your staircase, it's a good time to save your drawing. Click the Save As Project button, enter a name for this version of the project, and then click Save. Give it a go. Add stairs to your drawing. Go to the Architectural tab and select the configuration of staircase you want from the Stairs drop-down menu. Work your way through the Staircase Component Builder, selecting a specification and entering dimensions for the stairs. Next, follow the on-screen instructions to place your staircase. Don't forget, you can change the justification to determine whether your first mouse click is placing the left, right or centre point of the staircase. If you need to move your staircase, click on a line to select it, click the right mouse button, and select the Move Selection option from the right-click menu. Finally, add any sundry items you need by highlighting the staircase and using the Extra Items window.